All right, number 8 is the one we're going to need to use the calculator for. So we want to put in this data into my L1 and L2. So I'm going to go Stat, Edit, and I'm going to clear out what's in there. So clear and enter. My L1 is going to be that top row of numbers. And my L2 is going to be that bottom row. Okay, and then I want to see which of these linear, quadratic, or exponential is the best regression. So I'm going to go back into Stat, I'm going to go Calculate. I'm going to start by doing the linear regression. What I see here is that the R squared is 0.985. Now I'm going to run the quadratic one. So Stat, Calculate, Quadratic Regression. The R squared there is, oh, that is really good. 0.9999999. Can't really get much better than that. And I'm also going to run the exponential one, which is way down here. And that one has an R squared of 0.94. So as it turns out, they're all actually pretty excellent fits to the data, but clearly the best one is the quadratic one, and the explanation can simply be your R squared values, or you can even add to this R squared is closest to 1. 1 being a perfect correlation. So then it says write the equation that models the line of fit. So I'm going to go back into Stat. I need to recalculate that quadratic one so I can write down the equation. Now I don't need to include all these numbers, I'm just going to round it a little bit. So the equation is going to be y equals, it's going to be that first number, so 0.0998 x squared, and then it's minus 0.4978 x, and then it's minus 5.007. That's the equation. And then I will use that to predict when I'm at 22 inches. So we should expect 22 inches to be maybe between these two numbers because there's 20 and there's 24. You can just copy this equation into y equals. You can just type it in here by hand. I'm gonna paste it in using the special button. So I'm gonna go vars 5 equation regression equation, and then I'm gonna go into my table. And I need to go to, 22, I was right there. 22, it looks like it's 32.36. So it's 32.36, and that's maximum weight, so that is in tons.